How to fix Roblox not launching. So if you want to fix Roblox not launching problem, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with your search, and in a search you need to search for add or remove programs. So click on the option under your control panel, search for Roblox, and once you search for Roblox, you need to just click on uninstall. Go with the right side which has that three dots and then choose uninstall. Once you've selected uninstall, then you can again go with your Microsoft Store or your browser and then install it again. After installing, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with your search again and search for control panel. Once you search for control panel, now you need to go with the system and security section, or you can simply search for Windows Defender Firewall. Once you've selected Windows Defender Firewall, then you just need to simply go with Windows Defender Firewall on or off. And from here, you need to disable the firewall. So you just need to simply click on turn off on both of these. And after that, go with OK, which is on the bottom right. And once you turn off your firewall defender, then you can go and install your Roblox. And after installing, you need to just go with your Roblox installer. So once you have your Roblox, you can just simply right click on it and then you can run as administrator. Once you've run as administrator, then your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix, then just simply search for Roblox and go with app settings. And here you can click on terminate, and then once you've done with terminate, you can go with repair, and after repairing you can go with reset, and after resetting you can launch your Roblox and your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.